Okay. Happy birthday, my sick baby. Alright, she's going to open one of her birthday presents. You gotta dump that out, huh? There we go.
Oh my gosh. Oh, gosh.
You like them? They're very pretty. What else is in there? You like it? Is it very pretty? Did you like, you don't say, poor thing, you're sick. Was that cool? Do you like the boxes? You can stack them up.